So Norman, do you like your haircut? Did you get a good haircut? Tell Dad. What kind of haircut did you get? I like it. Here we go. They're gonna go crazy. Where you guys at? Oh, they're there. Running in Dad's office. What are you guys doing? Get him, Norman. Get him, Norman. You guys playing in Dad's office? What are you guys doing? Kelly, are they crazy? Huh, Kelly, girl? Kelly! Come here, Kelly. Up. Come here, Kelly. Up. Kelly. See, these boys are crazy. Huh, Kelly, girl? Huh, Kelly, girl? You guys are nuts! Huh, Blue? Are they crazy? Blue, are they crazy? Blue. Blue, are you the most handsome little boy in the world? Who's the most handsome? My Blue Bear? You are the most handsome little boy, huh? Look how handsome you are. I know! Come here. Get that hug. Come here. Up. Come here. What are you doing? Huh? Who's over here? It's Norman! Norman! Huh, Norman? Whoops. You guys are wrestling? Oh, Blue. Here, Blue. Turn around. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, Blue. Blue, say hello. My little boy. That's my boy, huh? That's my boy. Blue Bear's our best boy in the world. Huh, Norman? Norman. Tell Grandma what's up. Tell Grandma you want to play. Tell Grandma, hey, Grandma, you want to play? Do something fun? Yeah. Blue, tell Grandma you want to play? Tell Grandma, let's do something fun. Let's do something fun. Tell Grandma, let's do something fun. Yeah, yeah.